As we continue to observe Severe Weather Awareness Week for the state of Louisiana, today's topic is severe thunderstorms. The Arklatex region is affected by numerous thunderstorms each year. The strongest and most dangerous of these are defined as severe thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorms are thunderstorms that produce damaging wind gusts, large hail, and tornadoes. A thunderstorm is severe when it produces winds of at least 58 miles per hour, hail 1 inch in diameter or greater, or a tornado. Severe thunderstorms can occur during any time, but are most common during the spring. To protect yourself and your property from severe thunderstorms, it is important to stay abreast of the latest weather conditions. Staying updated through NOAA Weather Radio from the National Weather Service, as well as monitoring television, radio, and the internet, will help you be better served for the dangers associated with any severe thunderstorms in your area. Be looking for our next video on Tuesday, March 7th, when our Severe Weather Awareness Week topic will be flash flood safety.